Have you noticed that opening a stubborn jar isn't quite as easy as it used to be? As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass. It's a completely normal process called sarcopenia. Hello, and welcome to Dr. Food. On this channel, we explain nutrition in a simple, logical, and evidence-based way. No extreme diets, no food myths, and absolutely no guilt. But here is a myth. You've probably been told that to fight it, you need to force down heavy portions of beef or chicken. Let's be logical. Tough meats can be hard to chew, heavy on your digestion, and honestly, not always what you want to eat. To trigger muscle growth after 60, your body develops something called anabolic resistance. This simply means it takes a slightly louder signal to tell your muscles to grow. The evidence-based golden rule: you need 20 to 40 grams of protein in a single meal, containing about 3 grams of the amino acid leucine. And you can easily hit this target without a single bite of meat. Let's look at the absolute best alternatives. First up, dairy. If you tolerate it, dairy is an absolute superstar for aging muscles. A simple bowl of thick Greek yogurt is packed with casein. Think of casein as your slow-release muscle fuel. It feeds your body a steady stream of amino acids for hours. And if you want a zero-effort boost, stirring a scoop of whey protein or collagen powder into a glass of milk or morning oatmeal gives you an incredibly fast-digesting, highly concentrated dose of that vital leucine. No chewing required. Next, we have the perfectly packaged protein, the egg. For years, people felt guilty about eating eggs, but the science is clear. The protein inside an egg is so highly bioavailable that clinical studies show it triggers muscle protein synthesis just as effectively as a steak. Plus, they are incredibly gentle on older digestive systems and practically melt in your mouth. If you want to truly hack anabolic resistance, you need fish. Fatty fish like salmon or mackerel possess a biological superpower: omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats actually make your aging muscle cells more sensitive to the protein you are eating. When seniors consume high-quality fish protein alongside omega-3s, their muscle repair response is significantly higher than eating protein alone. And just like eggs, flaky fish bypasses chewing fatigue entirely. Finally, the plant-based heroes. You don't need animal products at all if you know how to combine your foods. And if you prefer pantry staples, simply pairing a legume, like lentils or black beans, with a whole grain like brown rice creates a complete protein profile. It's culturally universal, incredibly affordable, and scientifically proven to preserve your strength. Nutrition doesn't have to involve extreme diets or guilt. It's simply about understanding how food affects your body and giving your muscles the logical, evidence-based tools they need to stay strong. If this simple approach to nutrition makes sense to you, make sure to subscribe to Dr. Food. Stay strong, eat well, and I will see you in the next video.